Tired of wasting hours cleaning your floors every week? Meet the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, the smart home cleaner that does it all for you. It doesn't just vacuum, it also scrubs your floors 100 times per minute using powerful sonic mopping technology, leaving every inch spotless. With advanced LiDAR mapping, it scans and remembers your rooms for precise, efficient cleaning while avoiding obstacles and furniture. Its Clean Edge Detect system reaches deep into corners, and the anti-hair wrap brush roll makes it perfect for pet owners. The best part? It empties itself for up to 60 days, so you don't have to touch dust or dirt. Sleek, powerful, and fully automated, this is one of Amazon's top-selling smart cleaners. Click my Amazon link below to grab yours today and let the Shark Matrix Plus do the dirty work for you. This robot vacuum cleans, mops and empties itself. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. Right pointing finger emoji. Grab the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop on Amazon today by clicking this link https://amazon.to/4us3vfs.